I wish to introduce all my team members who are present here today. On my right side is Mr. L. Banthirala Vasoyaman. He is the Vice President elected. He has completed his Masters in Computer Application from Bangalore University. On my left, President elected, and he has completed Class 12 Art Stream and MOS. We feel the unemployment rate in Meghalaya is worrisome at the current situation. They say an idle mind is the workshop of the devil, and we can see that many youths currently who are unemployed end up getting involved with either substance abuse such as drugs and alcohol. Perhaps it could be due to frustration, loneliness, or their own troubles. We can't say. But we can see many of our youths getting involved, whether it be peddling these drugs or that is taking them. And also, in sad situations, many of them succumb to their addiction. And it is a very sad state. And also, we can see that due to the presence of drug addiction, we see that there's been a rise in petty crime, whether they're thefts or robberies in the state, because drug users are resorting to these to fuel their drug addiction. And from our side, we feel that there is an uneasiness in the current law and situation of the state. When we do come back to the unemployment of the state, yes, we understand that the state has various government sanctions to promote employment. But we feel there might be a lack of opportunity in accessing these schemes. Rehabilitation centers. I am not one to comment because I myself feel that there's much that we can do, but I can't criticize the government for it. But I do want to urge the government to please do more in that aspect. Creating awareness, free counseling, because we should perceive drug addiction not as a criminal thing, but rather a social disease. And for every disease, we do have medication for it. And in the same way, we should treat drug addiction. We should not lend our ears, we should not, in fact, discard those who want a helping hand, but rather we should offer. And I feel that the government could stand to do more. Contact us on Facebook, Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress, or Instagram, Meghalaya Youth Congress @MPYC_Meghalaya. These are the few points and issues we wish to highlight to you through the press. I hope it reaches each and every one of the youth in our state. Thank you all.